Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Gagan Thakur. So in this video we are going to create some entities as discussed in the last video, and then we'll try to map those entities with the intents. Okay, so for that I will simply click on plus icon next to entity. Here we go. And now, if as I discussed in the earlier videos, that intent is something which is the intention, and entities are the details that we require for fulfilling that intention. So if I'm trying to order a pizza, I will require certain details. Okay, like the size of the pizza or the topping on the pizza. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll create an entity called pizza size. Okay, so let's do that. Pizza size, so this will hold the size of the pizza. Okay, and then what could be the size? It could be small, right? And here we have to enter synonym also, like user can say S as well. Okay, then it could be medium, so I'll use M, and instead of small s I'll use capital S. Okay, and then large, for large I'll use capital L, and then extra large, and for that I'll use XL and extra large as well. Okay, so this is the entity created. I will create another entity which is about the toppings. Okay, so this is done. Then again I need to click on the plus sign, and then let's say pizza toppings or ingredients, whatever you want to call it, toppings. Okay, and here so we can include multiple things like let's say cheese, let's say onion, let's say sausage, let's say chicken, mushroom, sorry, mushroom. What else can we put? I'll click on add a row. Let's say pineapple, for the sake of this example. Black olives, black olives. What else can we put? I believe, yeah, that's it for now. Okay, so this is another entity we have created. Okay, now if you see, we need to merge these two together. Like the entity should, these entities are relatable to the intent, but like right now, there is, we have not mapped them together. So I'll show you how. Now if you see here, this is the one order pizza. Okay, now here, if somebody tries to order in pizza, if they say I want pizza, that's not enough information for me. So let me add another phrase here. I want a large pizza. I want a large pizza. Okay, what happens with this is I want a large pizza. Okay, so you see there is something called large, which is nothing but a size here, right? So I have already created an entity. Okay, pizza size. Let's see. There you go. So now what I have done, I have mapped this large to pizza size. Okay, now if you see here in the action parameters, there is the entry of pizza size, and we are using the entity, and I'll tell you the importance of this value. Okay, now if you see, I will make it required. Why required? Because if somebody doesn't give me the pizza size, I won't be able to order pizza for them. So what if they just say I want a pizza? I want to ask them what size of pizza do you want. So for that I'll click on define prompts, and I'll say uh, uh, what size of pizza, what size of pizza shall I order for you, shall I order for you. Okay, something like this. And can you, or else, can you please specify size, specify pizza size. Okay, so when I give two examples here, what happens that Dialogflow will pick any of these randomly. Okay, and I'll close this. Okay, now they have to, if they don't give me size, so it will always ask for size. So let me show you an example. Okay, so if I say I want pizza, if I order, if I say I want pizza, let's see what happens. uh okay, so did we, oh, I'm sorry, I did not train it. Okay, so let me save it first. It has to be trained. I mean, it will not recognize that before training. Okay, um let's go ahead, and now let me say I want pizza. Let's see what happens. Now it's asking me, can you please specify pizza size? Okay, I'll say S small one. Okay, and then all right, I can help you with your pizza order. So the transaction is completed. Now because I said it's a required parameter, it will always ask me for the size. Okay, now I also need ingredients. So let me add another sentence. I want a large pizza with chicken. Okay, enter. Now you'll see that the size has been already recognized here, but the chicken, which is a topping, is not recognized. So I'll just double click here, and I will just select uh, pizza toppings. Okay, so I have told the system that this is the one, and then here you will see there is another parameter created. I will also say required, and I will also say is list, because in toppings they can specify multiple toppings, not just one, right? And then here I'll say, would you like to specify toppings? Okay, another one could be, what toppings will you prefer? Will you prefer something like this? Okay, these two done, and now this is required. So if I don't give it, it will complain. So let me first train it. Now I'll save it. Okay, and now I will try to give only size. Okay, so I'll say I want a small pizza. Now if you see here, there is no sentence which says I want a small pizza. Okay, still it will recognize this. So let me show you. I'll say enter. So it's asking me what topping will you prefer. Okay, and if you go down here, the pizza size is small. So machine learning automatically recognize that, you know, this small is a pizza size, even though I have not given any sentence. That's the power of machine learning. Now it's just asking me for toppings. I'll say chicken. Okay, and there you go. All right, I can help you with your order. And here you can see the pizza topping is chicken and pizza size is small. Okay, now let's try with some other example. Let's say uh, pizza with uh, mushroom and olives, large or medium, or let's say extra large. Extra large. Now if you look at this sentence, okay, let's see if it gets recognized, because you know there are a lot of jumbled information in here. And let's see what happens. Now it's asking me for what toppings would you prefer, even though we have given mushrooms as a topping, right? So it recognized the intent as order, it recognized the size as extra large, but still it did not recognize because I have given mushrooms. That's what I. So let me change mushroom to mushroom, because uh, mushroom. Now let's go now. Okay, and here it still did not recognize pizza with. Oh, the spelling of mushroom is not correct. I'm sorry. So it should be mushrooms. Okay, all right, I can order the pizza, and you see here the pizza topping is mushroom, but it does not regard olives as a topping, because in the entity, do we have olives? Pizza toppings. Let's go to pizza toppings and let's see. Do we have? I have black olives, so it will actually look for olives. So in the synonym, what I can do is, in the synonym I can give it olives only. Okay, and I'll say save, and now it should be able to recognize that also. Okay, so now let's give it a shot again. uh, Let me copy the same sentence. Okay, and let's go. Let's see what happens. Now you see both the toppings are recognized. Now even though I said olives, it recognized that. So this is how you train the machine learning, and this is how it behaves. So we have seen intent and entities, and I'll show you more fun stuff in the next videos. Thank you.